So let's have a look at the latest version of our battery eraser. So I've been working hard on this product. It's really, really popular, and you may have noticed it's turned black. That's not the major improvement. We have updated and upgraded the motor inside this, so you'll feel a difference when you get to use it. So you may be wondering why on earth you need a battery-powered eraser. Well, it's not for erasing large areas at a time. It doesn't make that job any easier. What it does do is it means you can be really precise and accurate when you erase fine detail and add in highlights and things like that. So for instance, I'm going to put a whole line in, really easy to control. You can use it as part of your drawing media rather than just something to erase. You know, of course we can work back into that, add some shadows behind, things like that. Just another way of using an eraser. It just means you can really add in highlights, which I think is probably the most beneficial aspect of using this eraser. And it's so easy to control. You can really just zap out a bit of tone and colour whenever you like. For instance, on this eye that I sketched a little earlier on, I've used graphite pencils and colour pencils here so you can see that it works on both. If I'd drawn this and I think, well, actually that looks a little dull, what I want to do is add in a highlight. I can just go in with the eraser pencil here and add a few highlights. Pops it off the page, suddenly it looks much nicer. And if you want to work back over that, that's no problem at all. You can just get in there, dull things down slightly, add a bit of colour. Great fun. The other thing we can do with it, just to show it being used for drawing again, I'm going to put down here, this is just a charcoal pencil. So as a little bit of a background, for instance, let me just smudge this all around. It's like a different way of drawing. You can use the eraser to draw with initially. So we've created our background tone. I'll take the battery eraser and I'm just going to use that to put in some mountains or something here, yeah, in the background. Add that on there. In fact, we can make snow-capped mountains as soon as we live in a mountain area. Let's have some snow-capped mountains. We can take the pencil again, add a bit of shadow. It's all about trying different things, and the quick sketches, just another way of working. So just change the erasers here, because obviously they will wear down, and to move them on you just grab the end and pull that out. It's in a little metal holder, so you just pull it out. If you want to extend it, you just pull it out a little bit further and push it back in. If you were changing it, you just slot a new eraser in, which you get some with the eraser. Just push it back in and then you're ready to go with your erasing. We could have a little moon, couldn't we?